Welcome in Advanced Excel program, and I'm Sanjay Kumar, your trainer. And in this demo we're going to see that how we can access customize ribbon and enable that in your Excel tabs. So here I have opened a blank sheet. So here you can see we have some standard tabs in Excel 2013 that we get by default, and now we will learn that how we can customize that, or we can add a new customized tab in this tab section. For reaching those settings, we have to click on a file, options, and here is the customize ribbons. And here you would see we have two sections. One are those settings which we offered by the Microsoft. Here we have a variety of tabs that we can have in Excel 2013, the most popular one, and the commands that is not in the ribbons. So if we click on here, we would get all those functions and features that are not right now available in our current tabs. Or we can also call macros as well. So if I click on here, I would get the default macros that we can get in Excel. And we can also find our own macros in this list if we create any one of that. So in coming series I will teach you that how you can create your macro and call it in this customized tab. We also have an option here to see all the functions that we have in Excel. So I'm going to click here, and here are the bulk of functions that we have in Excel 2013 that Microsoft provides us. So we can call it here in these tabs that we have. So here we have the current tabs and their functions. So if you click here in home, we can see that there are some sub functions as well. If I click here, so you would see that in this group we have these functions. So if you need some functions that are not available in these tabs, but you need that for your regular use, you can merge these functions with your customized tab. You can't merge those functions with existing tabs, so you have to create your own. So let me show you that how you can create your own tab. For that you have to click on here, new tab, and this will create a new group. So you can rename that. So I'm gonna rename it, and I'm going to select a logo for that, this one. And now I can call any of these functions that I think that will be useful for me. So I'm gonna call a zoom in and zoom out here, and if I click OK, so here you would see we have a new tab, and in that new tab we created a group that we named as a power macro, and here the function zoom in and zoom out. So it would be functional if we try to use it. We also can rename the tab name. For that you have to again go in a file, option, customize ribbon, and here is our tab that right now is just a new tab. So I'm gonna click on rename, so I renamed it as a power macro personal. I'm gonna click OK. And in any time if you think that whatever tabs you're creating or subgroups you're creating, you can reset that by clicking here. You can click here and select reset. The moment you will click it, all the customized setting will go off and you get the default setting here. You also can create a new groups. So you just have to click here, and you would see we have added a new group as well. So I'm going to click OK, and here you can see that the new tab name is changed now with the power macro personal. So I'm going to click on it, and here you would see we have two groups now. One is power macro, another is a new group. So we can merge all our useful macros and function here. So I hope this video was informative and knowledgeable for you. And in next class, we will learn how to customize quick access toolbar in Excel 2013. And please don't forget to subscribe it on YouTube so you can get update on new modules and videos that I will be adding later in this course. So thank you for watching it. We'll meet again.